Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on the Motorola Moto G53. And to do this we'll need to open a settings. Now in a search settings enter the gestures, or you can also find it right here in the middle of the page. Enter it and inside scroll all the way down. Here you should find kinetic gestures, and let's check how they work. So first one is quick launch, and here you can double tap on the back trigger for custom actions. Let's see how this works. So we can enter settings right here and choose what will be opened by performing such an action. And let's go for a screen recorder, or actually let's take a screenshot. So it's enabled, and now let's look on the back of our phone and let's see how this works. It's not so well explained, but yeah, you just need to tap right here and it performs this action, as you can see. Let's go back, and the next one is quick capture. So you need to twist your phone to also perform the camera open, and here you can choose if it will open the rear camera or front one. Let's go for a rear and let's try it out. So the camera opens and that works fine. Next is a fast flashlight. So you can turn on flashlight by performing two chopping motions, or it looks like a handshake kinda. I always had a problem with this function, but let's see if it works. As you can see, it doesn't work at all with me. I don't know. Yeah, it doesn't work. Let's go back and move on to lift to unlock. And now if you enable it, you'll be able to unlock your phone with a glance. So unlock your device by picking it up and looking at the screen. So we need to enable it again. Use our code, then set up the face for it. Let me do it off screen. Then enable lift to unlock right here, as it's disabled by default, and move on to the next. Got it. And now let's try locking our phone. Leave it at the table, then let's pick it up and look at the camera, and it should unlock and it works fine. Next one is the pick up to silence. Pick up the phone to silence the ringer. If you enable it and you have a call, then if you pick up your phone it should be muted. Next one is flip to DND, and that's also the last option. If you enable it and put your phone upside down, it will mute all incoming calls. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.